What in the frog fishing is going on here?
I can't do the frogs. It's web.
What? Where the rest of the pig at? She only got the head.
She's just walking around with a pig head on a hook.
What the heck? She about to make some fresh bacon right now, ain't she?
Look at that.
Ooh-wee. I bet
Wow.
that thing stank, huh?
You know, I always think that, but I think that's why they take the hair off of it.
So it don't stink? How the
I
hair
think
gonna stop
so.
it from stinking? That would stink.
I mean, do it stink when we cook meat here?
Oh, look at that. Dang.
Oh, God.
It look like a Halloween mask.
See, I
They can just wear it.
don't like seeing the nose just like that.
I know you like bacon too.
I do, I love
How do you feel
bacon.
about it after seeing this?
It makes me not want to eat it so much.
Ugh. What is that? Is that butter?
I don't
That
know.
egg? What is this? What is that? Oh, no,
If I didn't know it was part of a face, I might, I might eat it.
You might have tried
I
that?
think I would. I think I would.
I wonder what you call this dish right now.
Pig head,
Pig head?
pig face. Pig head is what you. It sounds like what you would call somebody at school when you try to bully them.
Is she poking? Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna have to pass on this. Ooh, she just.
Oh, okay.
It do look tender.
See, but
though.
look at
I ain't
that.
gonna
Look at
lie.
that.
Look at them slices. They look pretty tender. It kind of look like turkey. Don't it look like turkey?
No, but it looks good.
Ooh,
Wait, so
she
what
about
is
to make
happening?
Pigs in the blanket? What is
Yeah,
going
what
on?
is this?
This thing switched to breakfast.
Wait,
real
she's just
quick.
smashing
What
it
is
down
this?
with like a big stone. Okay, next day she switched up the outfit. Okay, girl. But what is
What
this?
in the world? She's slicing it up, got like a cake.
Wait,
Look at that.
is it like a little bacon? Oh wait, hold on. They're just eating it like that.
Yeah, you eating that?
Yeah. Are you?
I might try a little sample.
looks
Like,
good.
let me just try it just to see how I feel about it. I might try a little something.
I'm here for this.
I don't know about that.
They're enjoying it. All right,
What?
what's happening?
What in the?
와,
What in the?
Oh my God.
Here.
I can't even look at this. Oh my God.
How do they get in the tree? First of all,
They
like, how do they get in the? Ooh, that thing leaking, ain't it?
Wait, the little
Is the maggots or
I don't know. I don't know. I don't.
are they worms or maggots or caterpillars?
Oh my God.
Ooh, what is that gooey? Is that?
I
How the hell do they get in the tree? That's wild right there. Look,
I can't look. Tell me when it's over because I'm about to throw up.
man,
Oh my God. Stop.
they happy too. They like,
My eyes watering. I'm like,
oh baby.
whew. Would you eat that? Oh look, they fried it up though.
Ooh, it look
That looks
like
like French
French
fries. I'm still not.
Dang.
No.
Oh, they need some ketchup, and that might be it.
Oh my God. Is that bacon?
Ooh, you like bacon?
What in the meat horns?
Ooh,
Horns have meat in them?
I didn't know that. Some things is turkey meat too. I think got some little thick meat up in there. Oh.
Wait, I'm trying to see how
Where it came from though?
that, and are they gonna like peel off the outside? Like, how does this work? Or do you just like suck the meat out of it?
Oh, you see? Look at that. Look at that meat just
What?
slid right up out of there. Dang, there was a lot of meat up in there.
Did you know those things are meaty?
I thought it was just bone.
Me too.
What? Hey, you learn something new every day.
Wait.
Look, that look kind
I
of
was gonna
good
say,
though.
it
I
looks
might
so
have
good.
to give me a whole thing. I have to get some of that. You eating that?
I'm gonna eat that.
Ooh, look, got to feed the puppy.
Look at that.
puppy,
Look
though.
at that.
I ain't gonna lie, that look good. Yeah, I'm gonna take that one.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy content like this and want more of it, make sure you go to our page, AJ and Selena. Give us a follow, please. Hit that like button. It's tagged above. Thank you so much.